Okay, let's talk about filling up your diffuser for the very first time. This is so exciting. You're going to love it. This is the Desert Mist Diffuser. This is probably the most popular diffuser that comes in our premium starter kits, and it is a great diffuser. It runs for up to 10 hours on the intermittent setting, and it has 11 different light settings, including a really gorgeous candle flicker setting that is really fun and beautiful. So I'm going to show you how to use it. First of all, you'll take off this plastic cover. This just comes off the top and you can set it aside while you're setting it up. This is the base of the diffuser and the cord plugs into the bottom. You can kind of see the hole over here. So the cord plugs in over here. You're going to want to put it this way and let the rest of the cord hang down into under the little feet so that it can sit stably on a hard surface. This comes right off the top, and then you can see inside is the little well. Here's the ultrasonic disc. And so you'll fill this with water. It has a little line in here to show you how far to fill it. And I have a little beaker of water that I'm just going to fill it with. So you pour your water into the well. You can fill it all the way up to the line or halfway, however full you want to. And it will shut off automatically when it's out of water. So you don't have to worry about burning out the motor or anything like that. I'm going to use tangerine oil today. So I'm going to put 4 drops of tangerine. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're starting out with diffusing oils, probably just do 2 to 4 drops at the most when you're first starting getting used to the scents and all of that stuff. You don't want to waste oils in your diffuser. So a little bit goes a long way in oils all the time. So 2 to 4 drops is plenty. So you'll put the cap right back on the diffuser and that's ready to go. And then you can put the lid back on so it's all set up. And then there's some buttons on the back here. So I'm going to show you. This is the on-off button. So you turn it on and it will start diffusing. This will be the continuous mode. So it'll diffuse continuously without intermittent. To turn on the intermittent setting to let it last longer, you'll press this button again. And it will diffuse for 30 seconds, turn off for 30 seconds for up to 10 hours or until it runs out of water. And then off like that. So let's turn it on and then I'll show you the color settings as well. So this is just the regular white light setting. I actually really like this setting. This is usually what I do. I'm pretty basic when it comes to that, but I'll show you some of the other color settings too. So it can diffuse, it kind of flickers white. It's a little bit more dim, which is really nice. This is the golden flicker candle setting. You can kind of see it's a yellowish color. It looks like a candle. It's so pretty. And then red. More red, yellow, a brighter yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, pink, my daughter's favorite, and then no light. You can have it diffusing without any light on at all. So this is great if you're using this diffuser at bedtime. You can just turn off the light altogether and it's going to diffuse until it runs out on you. So, and then you can turn the lights back on and run through that progression as well. So that's how you use your Desert Mist Diffuser. Super easy. You are going to love it.